Hey guys, welcome back for another video. And so for today's vlog, I'll be featuring with you another credit card from American Express, and that would be the Hilton Honors American Express Aspire card. Okay, so before before we proceed this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for more updates, just click the notification bell button and follow my social media accounts on Instagram, Threads, X, TikTok, and TikTok at Rayraynatics. Again, if you don't like my contents like this, then definitely just exit this video to avoid receiving negative comments out there. And if you still want to give me a negative comment, you're just wasting your time. Okay. And then my apologies too if I'm not going to use my native language, which is Filipino, because this credit card is actually here in the US. So basically, it's a US credit card. So I'm not going to use Filipino for now. So I'm going to speak English at all times. But again, please bear with me if my English were not quite good, because I'm still getting used to. But since I'm here in the United States, then definitely for especially for international students out there, it would help you for you to get some knowledge with me on how did I actually get a credit card as an international student. Okay, so yeah, basically I had this another credit card with American Express. So it was actually delivered by FedEx, as you can see here. Okay, yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys that please bear with me because there would be a lot of background noises, because I usually don't film during the day because I was avoiding some kind of like the background noises during the day. So I usually film during at night. So yeah, anyways, let's get started. So yeah, it was delivered by FedEx. So I just got it today. So basically, I had my current American Express Hilton Honors credit card with me. So let me just show you. So this is kind of like a basic one. Yeah, this is kind of like a basic one, and this is kind of like the old Hilton Honors card, because I think it has the embossed all of my credit card numbers and other details and all that in front. But now I believe this card is kind of like a metal card, I believe. So yeah, and then all of my informations are in the back now. So yeah, okay. So let's get started. I'm gonna unbox this. So if I do it like this, yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's a kind of like the similar to other kind of like the packing like this, just like the platinum card and the Delta Sky Miles that I have with me. So yeah, I had this American Express Hilton Honors credit card, but I believe this would be the metal card. So this is kind of like my fourth one already, because I have my American Express, the platinum card, and the gold card, and the Delta Sky Miles in purple. I don't know if it is called reserve, kind of. So yeah. So how do I get this open? Okay. So this is kind of like the front, but I won't show you my details. So yeah, this is the front of it. Okay. So wait. Okay, I just did it this way. Okay, so it's opened, and what else? Okay, I just had to make oh, what if okay, so it's a metal card, sorry. Um, yeah, I just had to make sure that I hide my CVV or CVC, something like that, or my security code in front. So yeah, so here it is. Ta-da! Yeah, it's a metal credit card. So yeah, thank you American Express for this kind of another card that I have with me as an international student. So yeah, so welcome to Aspire. So yeah, let me just remove this so that you can see. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's another metal credit card that I have with me. So this is the new one, and this is actually the old one that I have. So basically, when I'm gonna start activating my Hilton Honors Aspire card, definitely it would automatically deactivate this old card. So yeah, uh, yeah, as what I told earlier, that all of my credit card numbers are in the back. So yeah, okay. So these are kind of like what's inside of it. Yeah. So am I allowed to? Okay. What is this thing? Yeah, it's kind of like the welcome card. Yeah. If you wanted to pause to read it, yeah. And then yeah, kind of like some QR codes and all that. Yeah. And then here's the kind of like the review this checklist. Okay. And then what else do we have here? Yeah, as you can see, guys, we still have the traditional um, the post mail. So yeah, we still have this, and then okay. So yeah, welcome to your new American Express card. Okay. Yeah, and then what else? Sorry if there's some kind of like wait, nothing so interesting here. And yeah, those are kind of like the terms and conditions that we don't actually read, but we still need to read it, even though that we are lazy sometimes. But just to be aware of some kind of their fees and charges. And yeah, and then okay, so let's proceed. What are kind of like the great benefits for this one? For this, so the the benefits for this one is you can earn 4 times points on Hilton Honors bonus points on Hilton purchases. So it has to be on Hilton on it, so that you can earn 14 times points. Yeah. And then you'll earn 7 times Hilton Honors bonus points at US restaurants and on select travel purchases. Okay. And then it has this would be like 3 times Hilton Honors points for all eligible purchases. So yeah. And then for this one, you'll have the complimentary Hilton Honors Diamond status with this credit card. Yeah. And then $400 Hilton Resort credit. Okay. And then the APR is actually the same as the basic card member. So yeah. For more details, just go to their website, americanexpress.com, and then there you'll just find their Hilton Honors Aspire credit card. So yeah, and then I think the con for this one is the annual fee is so expensive, so it's $550. But for me, I have no problems with that. So yeah, you can call me crazy, but I don't care. Okay. And then what else here is that um, so basically, if you travel abroad, definitely if you use this card, you won't get any foreign transaction fees. So yeah, that's the other benefit for this one. Okay, so for more details, just go to the website, americanexpress.com, and then there you'll find some any other credit cards there specifically for Hilton Honors or any other hotel brands that they partnered with American Express. Okay, so short story on how did I actually get my very first American Express credit card. So for me, I just got my very first American Express credit card with this blue. Wait, let me just take it out for you guys so that you can see. So yeah. So basically, I had the regular blue before, but now it's already cash preferred already. So yeah. So this is kind of like my very first American Express credit card. When I tried to apply for it and without the social security, but they just had I just had to call them back so that they can verify my passport information, and that's pretty much it. You don't have to submit your state ID or I-20 as an international student and all that. But I'm not so sure if they still do that because right now, as what I as what I observe when trying to apply for another American Express credit card, they would actually require you to enter the social security or the ITIN right now. Um, so you don't have a lot of choices. So I don't think you should get this card. But I'm not so sure if applicable to apply via their via phone call, and then I don't know if they still accepts foreign passport, like specifically mine. I'm from the Philippines, and I just use my Philippine passport, and that's pretty much it. And I just got this American Express credit card since 2023, and then yeah, I got 7 American Express credit cards right now. But for me, I don't care about the annual fees and all that. Um, as long as I get them to build my credit score here in the US. So yeah, that's the short story on how did I get this American Express credit cards as an international student. Just let me know if you wanted to know more about it, or you can definitely go to my other videos on how I got all of my or specifically kind of the other US credit cards that I have with me. Okay, so yeah, that ends the video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm sorry if I'm struggling with my English that much. Again, if you don't like my contents like this, then definitely just exit this video and find another content creator that is more creative than me. Okay. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video, and peace for now.